Rain between us tonight. Something in the way it falls echoes of these empty walls. Every drop just feels like truth. In this room I can see the city glow, moving slowly far below. Everything I try to hide drifts aside. Rain between us, soft and slow. Everything I used to hold, let it go. Rain between us, in this light, nothing feels too heavy tonight. Quiet moments fill the space. Nothing left I need to chase. All the words I couldn't say fade away. Even time just slips away. I don't need another day. In this calm I finally see I am free. Stay with it. Don't resist it. Rain between us in this night. Everything just feels so right. Rain between us, soft and true. Everything I feel right now feels like you. Rain between us tonight. By the window tonight. By the window tonight, raindrops tracing down the glass, watching every moment pass. City lights begin to blur like a quiet whisper. Nothing I need to explain, just the rhythm of the rain. All the noise I used to feel doesn't feel as real. I can feel it slowing down. Every thought I held around fading softly into space, leaving no more trace. By the window tonight, everything feels right. All the thoughts I held too tight fade to light. By the window tonight, nothing left to hide. In this calm and steady rain, I'm alright. Soft light glowing from inside while the world just passes by. Every second feels so still, like I always will. Even time just slips away. Nothing more I need to say. In this quiet, gentle view, I feel new. Let it move, let it breathe. Let it be what I don't need. By the window tonight, everything aligns. Golden glow against the blue, everything feels soft and true. Raindrops tapping on the pane, like a gentle refrain. Nothing pulling me away. I don't need another day. In this quiet little space, I feel safe. Soft light and rain washing through my brain. Every little thought I had feels the same. Soft light and rain, nothing to explain. In this moment I can feel I'm okay. City breathing far below, lights that flicker in the glow. Everything just moves so slow, like I know. Even shadows feel so light in the calm of this night. Every breath I take is slow. Let it go. Soft light, soft rain, soft light, soft rain, soft light, soft rain, soft light and rain. Everything aligns. Every drop that hits the glass feels like mine. Soft light and rain. In this view, everything I feel right now feels so true. Soft light and rain.
Just sitting here tonight. Didn't plan to stay this long, listening to the quiet song. Rain against the window glass, watching moments pass. Nothing I need to resolve, letting everything dissolve. All the things I couldn't say fade away. Just let it be, just sitting here, letting it be clear. Everything I held inside disappears. Just sitting here, nothing left to fear. In the calm of midnight rain, I'm still here. City lights are far and wide, moving slowly with the tide. Even silence feels alive in this time. Every breath I take is slow, like I finally let it go. Nothing pulling me away, I can stay. Just breathe, stay. Just sitting here, everything feels near. Every little breath I take feels sincere. Just sitting here in the rain. Everything I used to feel fades away. Just sitting here tonight.
Warm inside tonight. Cold outside the window frame, but I don't feel the same. Wrapped in light and quiet sound, peace I found. Raindrops falling endlessly, but they don't get to me. Everything I need is here, crystal clear. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Warm inside tonight. City fading into blue, still it feels a little new. Every breath I take is slow, let it go. Even time just drifts away. I don't need another day. In this calm I finally see I am free. Even when the rain falls harder, I feel safer, I feel calmer. Warm inside tonight, everything aligns. Every little moment here feels like mine. Warm inside tonight, in this light. Everything I used to fear feels so light. Warm inside tonight.
Stay a while, be moved. Nothing really left to do, just the rain and quiet view. City lights begin to fade through the shade. All the things I tried to hold don't feel heavy anymore. In this calm I finally see what I need. Stay a while in this light, everything will be alright. Stay a while, let it flow, every little thing I know. Moments drifting soft and slow, like I finally let it go. Nothing pulling me away, I can stay. Every breath feels soft and clear, like there's nothing left to fear. In this quiet midnight rain, I remain. You don't have to go anywhere, everything you need is here. Stay a while through the rain, everything will stay the same in a better way. Stay a while in this night, everything just feels so right. Stay a while tonight.
Rain on the glass tonight. Lines are slowly falling down, tracing stories without sound. Every drop just finds its place in this space. Lights are bending through the blue, turning everything to new. Like the world is soft and wide. From inside, I can feel it drifting slow. Every thought begins to go. Rain on the glass, moments that pass. Every little thing I feel doesn't last. Rain on the glass, nothing to ask. In this quiet midnight view, I relax. Time is moving out of sight, blending so clear, like there's nothing left to fear. All the things I used to hold, let them go. Let it fall across the light. Let it blur the edge of night. Rain on the glass, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Rain on the glass, soft and slow. Everything I used to feel, let it go. Rain on the glass tonight.
Blue window tonight. Everything is tinted blue, like the sky just fell into every corner of my room. In this gloom, raindrops sliding down so slow, like they're putting on a show. I don't need to understand where I stand. Maybe I can let it be, just this quiet part of me. Blue window light, holding the night. Everything I used to think feels so light. Blue window glow, letting it go. Every little thought I had moves so slow. City breathing far away, like it's asking me to stay. Nothing pulling me apart from my heart. Even time just fades to gray. I don't need another way. In this quiet, steady view, I feel new. Stay right here, don't move. Let the night come through. Blue window light, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Blue window glow, soft and low. Everything I used to hold, let it go. Blue window tonight.
Slow night glow. Everything is moving slow, like I finally let it go. All the noise is far behind from my mind. Raindrops shimmer in the light, turning dark to something bright. Even shadows feel alright in this night. I don't need to run away. I can let it fade and stay. Slow night glow, let it flow. Everything I feel right now, I let go. Slow night glow, nothing more. Every little moment here, show, nothing I need to control. I let go, every breath feels soft and deep, like a promise I can keep. In this calm I finally see what I need. Let it fall into the light, let it carry through the night. Slow night glow, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Slow night glow, in this view, everything I feel right now feels so true.
Inside the night, everything is quiet now. I don't need to ask how. All the things I used to chase lost their place. Raindrops tapping on the glass like a rhythm from the past. Every sound just feels so near, crystal clear. Nothing left to figure out. I can live without the doubt. Inside the night, everything feels right. All the things I couldn't fix fade from sight. Inside the night, nothing left to fight. In this calm I finally feel I'm alright. City fading into blue, still it feels a little new, like I've changed along the way through the day. Every moment feels complete in the silence underneath. I don't need to run away, I can stay. Let it slow, let it stay, let it drift away. Inside the night, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Inside the night, soft and white, everything I used to hold fades inside. Inside the night.
Stay right here tonight. Nothing pulling me away. I don't need another day in this quiet little room. There's a bloom, raindrops falling in a line like they're keeping perfect time. Every second feels so right in this light. I don't need to move too far. Stay right here, everything is clear. All the things I used to feel disappear. Stay right here, nothing left to fear. In this calm and steady rain, I am here.
Falling quietly, raindrops tapping on the glass, watching every second pass. Nothing feels too far away, I can stay. City breathing soft below, like it doesn't need to go. Everything just fades to blue in this view. Just let it fall, falling quietly over everything. All the thoughts I used to keep drift away, falling quietly through the night. Nothing feels too heavy now. Lights reflecting through the rain, nothing here I need to change. Every moment feels complete in this beat. Even silence feels so near, like there's nothing left to fear. All the weight I used to feel disappears. Through the night, everything just feels alright. Falling quietly in the space, everything I used to hold finds its place. Falling quietly.
Stay in this moment. Everything is moving slow, like I finally let it go. All the noise just disappears from my ears. Raindrops sliding down the frame, nothing ever feels the same. In this quiet space I find peace of mind. I don't need to run away, I don't need another day. Stay in this moment, let it be. Everything I used to feel sets me free. Stay in this moment, in the rain. Nothing ever feels the same. City growing far away, still I choose to stay. Every breath just feels so new in this view. Even time just drifts aside, like I don't need to hide. Everything I couldn't see comes to me. Hold it close, don't let go. Stay in this moment, in this light. Everything just feels so right. Stay in this moment, in this view. Everything I feel right now feels like new. Stay in this moment. Stay in this moment.
Echoes on the glass, every drop creates a sound. tiny echoes all around, like the night is speaking low what I know. Nothing left to hold inside, everything just drifts aside. In the rhythm of the rain, no more strain. Echoes on the glass, moments never last. Everything I used to feel moves too fast. Echoes on the glass, let it pass. Every little thought I had doesn't last. City lights are far away, still I choose to stay. Every second feels so real in this feel. Even silence feels alive, like a calm I can't describe. Everything just feels so clear, standing here. Break the sound, let it drown. Echoes on the glass in this night. Everything just feels so right. Echoes on the glass, soft and slow. Everything I used to hold, let it go. Echoes on the glass. Echoes on the glass.
Quiet glowing sun. Everything is soft and slow, like I finally let it go. Raindrops falling in a line, in perfect time. City breathing far away, nothing pulling me astray. In this quiet little room, there's a bloom. Stay right here, stay right here. Quiet glow inside, nothing left to hide. Every little thing I feel feels aligned. Quiet glow inside, in this light, everything just feels so right. Moments drifting in the air, like there's nothing left to fear. Every breath just feels so true. Like I knew. Even time just fades away. I don't need another day. Everything I gray. Night is slowly drifting away. Raindrops resting on the glass as they pass. Everything is calm and still. I don't need to chase the thrill, just a quiet, steady flow. Letting go, I can feel it slowing down. Every thought I had around, almost morning light. Everything feels right. All the things I held too tight fade from sight. Almost morning light. Nothing left to fight. In this calm I finally feel I'm alright. City breathing soft and low, like it doesn't need to go. Every second feels complete, bittersweet. Even time just slips away. I don't need another day. Everything I couldn't see now feels free. Let it fade into the dawn. Let it carry gently on. Almost morning light. Everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Almost morning light. Soft and white. Everything I used to hold fades inside. Almost morning light.
Stay until it ends. Nothing pulling me away. I can let the moment stay. Raindrops falling in a line in perfect time. Every shadow fades to gray as the night begins to sway. All the things I couldn't say drift away. Stay until it ends. Let it fall again. Every little thing I feel makes sense. Stay until it ends. Nothing to pretend. In this quiet midnight rain I can mend. City fading into blue. Still it feels a little new. Every second feels so real in this feel. Even silence feels alive, like it's holding me inside. I don't need to run or hide from the night. Don't let it go. Just let it flow. Stay until it ends. Everything aligns. Every step I take tonight feels like mine. Stay until it ends. In this space, everything I try to hold finds its place. Stay until it ends.
Last drop falling. Every sound is getting low. glass as they pass. Every second feels more clear, nothing left to interfere. All the things I used to hide drift aside. Last drop falling, soft and slow. Everything I used to hold, let it go. Last drop falling in the night. Everything just feels so right. City lights are fading out, nothing left to think about. Every moment feels complete in this beat. Even silence feels alive, like a calm I can't describe. I don't need to ask me why, just let it lie. Let it fall, let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. Last drop falling, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Last drop falling through the night. Everything just feels so right. Last drop falling.
Quiet after rain. Everything is still and slow, like I finally came home. Raindrops fading into air, nothing there. All the noise is far behind, leaving only peace of mind. Every thought that used to stay drifts away. Quiet after rain, nothing feels the same. Every little thing I was fades away. Quiet after rain, soft and plain. In this moment I can feel no more pain. City breathing far away, like it doesn't need to stay. Everything just fades to blue, something new. Even silence holds me tight, like it's keeping me inside. I don't need to run or hide from the night. Quiet after rain, everything aligns. Every little breath I take feels like mine. Quiet after rain, in this space, everything I used to hold finds its place. Quiet after rain.
Back to this night. Raindrops falling just the same, but I'm different.